So let's talk about construction site injuries. It could be your own responsibility, your own fault, but it could also be the fault of a subcontractor or any number of things. These are very unique because oftentimes there's layers upon layers of law. The first thing is very often folks who get injured on construction sites, say a wall falls down or a girder comes out of place or a big piece of heavy equipment rolls over somebody. There's very often a workers' compensation claim that, of course, the injured person can pursue. But it can go far deeper than that. If a person is a subcontractor, let's say for the electrical, and they get injured because of a plumbing subcontractor's negligence, there's a second claim. A claim would be not just the workers' compensation claim, but a claim against that subcontractor. Another thing to consider is if you're the person who ends up getting injured as a result of construction. Maybe you didn't work for anybody. Maybe you were the homeowner who had the house built for you. One of the biggest frustrations that you'll deal with in that situation is when you talk to your builder, they'll say, no, this was the garage steps. We're not responsible for that. We had a subcontractor. And when you go to that subcontractor, he says, we built those garage steps, but we didn't install them. We hired a subcontractor. And when you go to that person, you find out that person has very little or no insurance. He's just one man and he doesn't have much in the way of any coverage at all. What do? Well, my law firm recently got an order on a case just like that, where the court ruled that the contractor is responsible for all of those subcontractors down the road. So in such a situation, you got to be mindful of the fact that there's a legal remedy very often to try to help to deal with the frustrations that our clients have. In this situation, construction site injuries can be very complicated, can have a lot of rules, restrictions, limitations, and levels of different sorts of laws, and it's important that when you hire an attorney in this area, that they have a firm understanding both of the workers' compensation implications, but also of general understanding of construction sites and the injuries that might be associated with that sort